The Internet Engineering Task Force, IETF, is one of 5 main groups that are a part of what we call the ISOC, or the Internet Society. And you'll see a little breakdown chart here in just a bit to better explain the hierarchy of where IETF fits into the Internet Society. But what they're doing is basically the IETF is the one that does a lot of the designs, creates a lot of what we call the requests for comments that eventually become standards that we use in different types of Internet communication. So in the ISOC, by the way, besides IETF, they have the Internet Architecture Board. They also have the group that assigns names and IP addresses. They call it ICANN, or the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. And even in that organization, it's broken down by different regions of the world. They have the Internet Engineering Steering Group and the Internet Research Task Force. Now, for those of you seeking certifications, you don't really need to know about all of the different pieces of ISOC. But when you're out there and you're working in the production world, it is important that you understand what some of these regulations are and how they're changing, because we have to work with them. So the goal here is to let you know about these different organizations that you will hopefully in your life of working with wireless continue to stay up to date with things as they change.